Welcome to this XLSTAT short video on how to compare a proportion to a reference proportion. The data are the result of 30 coin tossing experiments. We recorded which side of the coin was laying face up as tail or head. We would like to assess if the coin is biased, so we want to compare the results to the proportion 0.5, which corresponds to the results are half of the time a tail and half of the time a head. To start the proportion test, go to the menu Parametric Test, Tests for one proportion. In the General tab, fill in the information about the experiment, such as the frequency of one of the results. For example, tail. The value is then 19. The sample size is 30, as this is the number of times we launched the coin. The test proportion is 0.5. The data format is frequency, as we have reported the occurrence of the tail results and not the proportion. We are going to run a z-test. The results will be displayed in a new sheet of the current workbook, as indicates the option sheet. In the next tab, Options, select first the alternative hypothesis. Choose the option Proportion minus test proportion superior to d, where d equals 0, as 19 is bigger than the expected frequency of the reference proportion, which will be 15. It is always better to select a one-sided test, as it is more powerful than a two-sided test. The default significance level is left as is, so 5%. We keep the wild option for the confidence interval, and for the variance of the confidence interval, we take the test proportion option, as we favor the test proportion to the experimental results. Now that everything is set, we can click on OK. The results are displayed in a new sheet, and we can look at the p-value of the test. The p-value is 0.072, which is greater than the 0.05 limit. Therefore, we cannot reject the hypothesis H0. This means that we accept that the two proportions are equal. Therefore, the coin is not biased. Thank you for watching this video.